Internet is becoming part of an important foot in our life, so a large number of people use it daily. The Internet is both advantage and disadvantage. In my opinion, the advantage of the Internet is stronger than disadvantage. There are many advantages to using the Internet. Firstly, it gives us immediately access on almost any subject. Shops and other services are now available online. People can buy goods and services from the comfort of their home. For instance, a large number of sales websites like Bazaar.com, Amazon.com are selling diversity goods such as food, clothes, and so on. Secondly, the Internet is starting to replace other forms of entertainment. For example, YouTube.com is becoming the common video website that people can watch and share lots of videos about film, music, comedy video, and so forth, and watching together. On the other hand, the Internet has revolutionized communication. We can keep in touch by email or instant message through the social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, instead of connection to send information by the post office. In addition, video messaging is becoming common for business meetings. Recently, in Vietnam, VNPT and FPT are both engines to provide this service. In conclusion, the Internet is an incredible tool and benefits as Internet access outweigh the dangers. However, we should be careful not to use Internet excessively.